and welcome back to Around Our World in 80 Seconds. So if you have been a long-time follower of my old blog, The King's Daughter and the Pilot's Wife, you know that a lot of my blogs were about things that Jesus was teaching me. This is stuff that's really near and dear to my heart, and I just want to encourage you guys with the things that Jesus has been teaching me. Today we're going to talk through an excerpt from C.S. Lewis. I've been doing a daily devotional from this book. Today it's from Mere Christianity, and it talks about the real self. And the whole point of this is that you can't really find the thing that you're looking for until you stop looking for it, which may sound a little weird. Here are some examples. So let's say that you're really worried and really focused on making a good impression. Well, more likely than not, if you're really focused on making a good impression, you're probably going to end up making a bad impression. I see this a lot with creatives. Sometimes we get so focused on being original that nothing that we do ends up actually being original. I'll use my personal life. When I started dating Jared, a few months before that, I had just kind of given my relationships over to God and just said, God, if you want me to date, great. If you don't want me to date, then fine. And when I was focused on God and what God was doing in my life and where He was leading me, that's when He ended up actually bringing Jared alongside me. And I was totally not prepared to get into a relationship, but it was very evident right off the bat that this was the man that God had for me. What C.S. Lewis talks about in here is that yes, there is the idea that we need to stop looking for the thing that we're looking for in order to find it, but the keys are that we need to be seeking Jesus, and we need to tell the truth no matter how many times the truth has been told. And if we focus on those two things instead of focusing on being original or looking for relationships or making a good impression or finding our true self, until we put those aside and seek Jesus, we're not going to be able to find the things that we want. The last line of this excerpt, it says, "Nothing in you that has not died will ever be raised from the dead. Look for yourself, and you will find in the long run only hatred, loneliness, despair, rage, ruin, and decay. But look for Christ, and you will find Him, and with Him, everything else is thrown in." So that pretty much sums it up. Thank y'all for joining me this week, and we'll see y'all next time.